hey, it's me, Cynthia. I am she, and I have the hiccups. I've had them all day. I don't know. I don't know why. Every time I drink water or eat food or have candy, all day long, I've just had hiccups. So we're gonna work through it. That's not a good way to start off a video. I was thinking, I was like watching all of you guys, and you're using all your yarn, and I'm feeling all pathetic and neglectful of my own yarn until I went to take out my trash next to my recliner. My trash is all of my yarn, my yarn bands. So I dug out the ones that I've used since December. And this is what I have made. I have used 5 of these on Mark's blanket. 1, 2, 3. I need to count them so you guys believe me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of those, and those are the Bernat blankets. Oh, and it turns out that after all 5 of those big giant skeins rolls, I still need one more. He is one whole roll short of it being long enough for him, wide enough. It's 7 feet long, which I did it because, Zelda, you asked me why I made my dad's blanket so long. Well, my dad is 6 foot, or 6'1", something like that. He's taller than me. Everybody who's taller than me is 6 foot. That's just how I do things in my brain. So I was like, I don't know why I made it so long. The reason is because I was studying the blanket that I made for Mark. Mark is 6'1" or 6'2", 6 something. And his blanket comes exactly to his toes, and he needs to stick his toes through the holes to get coverage. So I made it over, the new one is 7 feet long, so that when his toes are there, it covers them from the shoulders all the way to his toes, and then where the toes are, the blanket wraps all the way around, and he gets full coverage. He can even wrap the blanket around the sole of his foot. So that's why I've been doing them so long. Alright, so that was 5 of those. Then I made my niece Caitlin a 2 skein infinity scarf for Christmas. I made my brother's girlfriend, or whatever she is, friend, a 3 skein infinity scarf for Christmas. Now, she was just introduced to our family for the first time, and it was Christmas night, so I thought it would be rude not to bring a gift, and it was such short notice that I only had like 1.5 days to go out and get her something, so I just crocheted her a scarf. And she loved it. I don't know if she wears it, I've never met her again, but she liked it. I made my sister a 2 skein infinity scarf, and my other niece a 2 skein infinity scarf. You would think that I would be able to say infinity flawlessly by now, but I cannot. And then this is from the knitted hat that I made. I don't know nothing, okay? That was my terrible Cuban accent. Not good. No bueno. So, okay? Now you know, okay? This is what I am talking about, okay? And I'm still yelling. And that is, nope, it's not all. And you know why? Because, Capital One called me to let me know, well, to ask me if I had been purchasing stuff at Staples. And I said, I don't think so. maybe my fiance has. And she said, would he be using it in Georgia? And I said, no, he has not left town. So they canceled that. That was nice. A nice heads up. Officially, I dug my cloak out. I finished crocheting what I need to crochet, and now the whole thing is I have to sew it all together. I do have one arm thing I need to make. And my nose is running now. This is great. My sinuses are a little icky on this side. I have Flonase, prescription strength, but it doesn't seem to be working. I'm not using it as prescribed either. I'm just using it when I blow my nose and it's all clear, and then I just... Oh, alright. And if you come across one of Crochet Geeks, now just Teresa Richardson's videos, she's having a little trouble. Please be nice to her. She says really mean things and stuff, but she's not doing so well right now. So please show her some love and be nice to her, because we all love her, and she taught more than half of us how to crochet. So that's all I have to say about that. I love her very much. I'm cooking dinner. I'm going to go crochet or sew my cloak together, and then I will be starting another channel with only my cloak. And that's all I'm going to say about that. And I'm not even going to tell you when or anything, because if it's stupid, then I don't want anybody to know. And there is my little daddy. He's in Ireland right now. I don't know why my accent got weird. That's Mark Lean. He's the Emerald Elvis in Ireland. Also one of my dad's best friends. And they performed a show together, some concert, and they usually sell out, and it looks like they did again. But that is my dad. His name is DJ Curtin, and that's in Ireland. The newspaper is the Kerry's Eye, or just Kerry's Eye. And that is it. I just wanted to show you guys that because I think it's super cool. Alright, toodaloo. Ruger is up here. He's being cheeky. Oh, he's cheeky today. Oh, cheeky today. Alright, well, thank you. Hey, my hiccups went away. You guys cured my hiccups. You guys are magic. I'm gonna officially go now. And thank you for watching. Have a wonderful everything. And perhaps I will see you on another day.